We share the same problems in the United States and in New York. And one of the ways that we deal with the backlog problem, which is a big issue, because we presume here in Uganda and in the United States that a person is presumed innocent until proven guilty. And the issue is how to get this person a speedy trial, how to get this person in court so they don't have to wait a year or longer or many years in jail waiting for their day in court. And one of the ways we do that in the United States is through plea bargaining, where the judge, the prosecutor, and the defense attorney will come to an agreement as to pleading guilty to a particular charge, and possibly also come to an agreement as to the sentence. And that way, we speed up our criminal justice system, and for those defendants who want a trial, we're able to have the time to devote to a trial. Because, again, we share the same problem with limited judges, and there's only so many hours in a day. There's only so many cases that a judge can handle. So one of the ways to speed up this process is by the plea bargaining process. And it's based upon the belief that justice delayed is justice denied. And certainly here in Uganda, the judiciary and the prosecution is becoming very innovative in dealing with the number of cases they have to deal with and the time restraints in trying to make presumption of innocence of real value here in Uganda. Now, sometimes bail can contribute to the backlog, because if a person makes bail, there's a tendency by judges and everyone in the system to put the case over, to put it over, and that just shouldn't happen. Whether a person's in jail or on bail, they have a right to a speedy trial. They have a right to justice today, not next year. The citizens have to be aware. Trials here, court procedures are open to the public, open to the media, and by that awareness, it causes the system to improve. You know, justice is a challenge. It's almost never reachable today. It's always something growing, something changing. And one of the topics we'll be dealing with in Entebbe with the judges is the new evidence, the new psychological evidence in sexual prosecution cases.